Hey guys, it is Info Girl. I hope everyone is doing well. And if you are new here, then welcome. But we're going to go ahead and get right into it. Today, I'll be bringing you guys some information on how you can be approved for a $50,000 credit card. Now, today we have a lender by the name of SkyOne Federal Credit Union. Now, they do have multiple different credit cards, but we will be talking about the Platinum Elite Visa Signature credit card. Now, the good thing about this credit card is there is a 0% intro APR on balance transfers for 12 months if done within the first 30 days of your account opening. Unpaid balances will revert to 18% APR after intro period. Now, with the Platinum Elite credit card, you won't have to spend according to one program. You will earn rewards on what matters most to you, rather that rewards are for online shopping on Amazon, weekend getaways, or clothes. Now, as I did mention, there is a 0% balance transfer for 12 months if done within the first 30 days of your account opening. You can also earn up to 30,000 bonus points after you spend $3,000 on purchases in your first 3 months from your account opening. Now, they do have a credit limit starting at 2,500 all the way up to $50,000. Now, they also have our Choice Reward program, which gives you the ability to choose your own rewards from a variety of different categories. Now, with this credit card, there is a $65 annual fee, and they also offer travel and emergency assistance and more. Now, as I did mention, you can choose your own categories. Now, until you update your categories, you will earn 3-time rewards on travel and groceries, 2-time rewards on restaurants, bars, and gas, and 1-time points on everything else. Now, in order to get this credit card, you must be a member. Now, the application for this lender is very simple and straightforward, as you guys can see. You can almost get a instant decision whether you have been approved or denied. But if you don't get a instant decision or denied, they will send you guys an email letting you know if you have been approved or not. Now, in order to be approved for this credit card, you must have a 680 credit score and above. Okay, I do recommend a 700, but they say that you can get this credit card with a 680 credit score. So, if you guys are looking for a credit card with a high limit, this could be the card for you. And of course, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, make sure that you hit the like, share, and subscribe button and the notification bell so every time I post a new video, you could be notified.